Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Strava app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget